Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be doing some deer hunting. My buddy Keenan over here, he's going to be the deer killer of today. I'm not going to be shooting any because I don't have my tags, or do I have my bow, and my sight's not on it because I was bow fishing a couple months back, but I would not want to drive an hour and a half just for my bow. But we're setting up in a 2-stand, 20, 25 foot high, maybe 30. That's what it looks like. This is where we're hunting. Right there. Right through there. What's below us. So we had a crazy fog going on. And we're hunting a spot that I've always seen deer around whenever I've been dove hunting and goose and duck and obviously bass fishing, because my most fished pond is right over there. I'll show you guys, see if you can see it.
There's a lot of memories there.
Right where you can see that outline is where it's at. And I did see a nice buck over there. I was contemplating if I wanted to put a ground blind over there or sit one of my stands over here, but I felt like maybe a morning like this they'd want to move. But it also was a full moon last night, so they're probably feeding all night long and moving. So we'll just have to see. So I'll get back to you guys if we see anything. Maybe there's a couple ducks or geese like on our way down here. We woke up at 5:45. Then we kind of held back time by getting drinks and snacks. And turns out there was a big old group of, I think, geese. But I'll post that clip after, I'll put this clip in after that. But yeah, I'll just get back to you guys if something interesting happens. Well guys, that was a fail. We're walking back now. We got the expert deer hunter walking in front of me. We didn't really get much.
But we're gonna make it up to you guys. We're gonna go do some fishing at the pond.
Yeah, we're gonna do some crappie fishing. And
probably some bass fishing.
Probably. But I'll get back to you guys whenever we figure out what we're doing. Alright, y'all. So, got the camera. Hopefully it starts to work now. But I'll catch you guys on the GoPro. We're crappie fishing again. Looks like we'll catch a bass off of our jigs, though. Yeah. Heard some honkers, so that gets me excited. It's about 40, 50 out now. We just got, oh crap, almost just tripped. Just got done deer hunting like about 40 minutes ago, but catch you on the GoPro. I'm gonna switch baits. It's too big and the spinner's not wanting to move. There we go. That should work. There we go. Nice little bass. That's a nice crappie too. Look at that sucker. Me and my buddy switched lures because he said he couldn't catch any off of that, and third cast in the same spot he's been fishing 15 minutes and caught one. There we go. That's a nice crappie. Yeah. Another chunky slab. God, I'm about to make a move. I think we caught like 3 fish, and that's a decent amount of content, especially for me not being here for a while. So y'all should be grateful.
Yeah. And we might go do that.
Alright, y'all. Well, that's the video you see. It was kind of hard to do because I had to keep pushing start and stop because my SD card was being stupid and I gotta get a different one. That's just about it. Did a crappie fishing. I caught like, ooh, hiccups are bad. Like 3 or 4. That's about it. And he's over here being stupid. Doing Keenan things. Who knows? We might come back out here later when it warms up. Get on the battery, put a battery control motor in there. Do some fishing. That's about it, guys. So, thanks for watching.